Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are grilling some chicken to pair with our dinner. Ingredients for the grilling of the chicken include 2 red onions, green pepper according to your preference, ginger according to your preference, 1 small piece of garlic, 2 tablespoons of powdered pepper, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of aniseed, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 1 maggi cube, and 2 tablespoons of powdered salt. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Let's get started. Peel the red onions and then cut it into cubes. Now peel the ginger as well and then cut it into the preferred sizes, which is okay to be blended. Peel off the tips of the pepper and wash these 3 ingredients together and place it into the blender cup. Onto that, add in the aniseed and the rosemary. Ensure that a little bit of water is added and then blend until smooth. Blend these 3 ingredients and the seeds as well. Give it a good blend. Now place the chicken into a bowl, add some water to it and then wash it thoroughly. Ensure that you wash under the skin, which has a bit of fat, and all other places. Peel off any unwanted parts and then drain off the water. Now place it into a bowl which is a bit smaller and then pour onto it the blended ingredients. The Ghanaian way of doing this is to mix the blended ingredients with the chicken by hand, as been demonstrated in the video. But if you don't want to do it like this, you could put on some transparent gloves or for short food gloves. We have that, but we decided to do it with hand so that everything gets into the chicken. All the spices get into the chicken just as we want it. After a bit of mixing, add in the oil and then continue the mixing. Now add in the maggi cube and the powdered pepper and continue mixing with your hands. And this is the final look before it is baked. Cover it up with another bowl, or you could use cling film, but with this we are going the Ghanaian route. Another bowl to cover it is just okay, since we are enjoying this at home and not for a function. Assuming if it was for a big program or maybe an order or something, you cover it with cling film and then leave in the refrigerator for a few minutes. But with that, pick up the baking tin or baking sheet which will be used in grilling the chicken and then line it with some aluminium foil. With the aid of a tongue, pick up the well-seasoned chicken and then line it onto the aluminium foil nicely. Let them be closely placed together on the sheet. After that, use the tongue to pick some of the spices and spread it onto the chicken. as being seen in the video. Do this until every bit of the spices used in seasoning it is poured onto the chicken, and then bake for 30 minutes in the oven or until it looks like how you prefer. At this point, it's slightly cooked on the bottom, so we have to flip that side over for the top part to also get cooked as well. And this is the finished product. We didn't want it so hard or so brownish, just like this. It's very delicious. We paired this with some fried rice and it was amazing. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.